Hey, Umuchina Kele, Abrala. Hey, agree the money here. Ahamadike, Biafra. Ahamadike, Biafra. Ahamadike, Biafra. Biafra, Kwenu. I don't talk him before. When I know what here. When I come block on here, say I know what here. No problem. When the war start, we go know who be who. Biafrans. How many times did I call you? You don't want to listen. I say boycott every churches that is against freedom. Boycott every food from the Fulani herdsmen. Boycott every onions from the Boko Haram. Boycott anything that come from the north. Where we say that no one more could go. They don't want to leave us where we go. But they want to carry their food to poison us. Go punish them. I start back on the boycott. Anything will go bring death. And time there for Igbo land. Biafra land, boycott all their food, not eat their food. I don't talk about boycott Dangote product. Anything where you bring. Now lie, you want to kill you, you want to put you under subjection. No listen to them, no buy their food, no buy their cement, no buy their chicken, no buy their anything. I tell you, if you try, God don't punish you. Now then they hungry you. Now that is the hungry you. Let's not forget. Make I ask now one question. Jumama and Emeka, make I answer me this question very carefully. Land don't finish for Sabah. Land don't finish for Were. Land don't finish for Anambra. Land in other Port Harcourt. Land in other Aba. Why when they deceive themselves, saying only Yoruba land and Hausa land when I go build the whole match when I go get in the whole world. Now can I say what now? When are they crazy? May God forgive you now. Make I come back home. I don't talk about. I say boycott every food from Hausa. Boycott their kuli, boycott their suya, boycott their sugar cane. You don't block your say no one here. One day, I tell you, one day, very, very soon, they could roast human being like a suya, give you for me to go chop and from Hausa, go this and I limit. I don't talk about. No one listen. Take time. Biafrans. Boycott anything that has to do with the Hausa Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, all their products. Now lie. I said lie, yo. They want to take and kill you. They want to take your land, invade your house and sleep with your women. They're dangerous. So anything that has to do with them. Remember, Boko. When I say Boko, you say haram. When I say Boko, you say haram. When I say Boko, you say haram. Fulani herdsmen. They are birds of the same feather, so all of them be the same thing. Now brothers and sisters, they know they look back for a kilo, they chop human being like suya. That's how I did not tell you. Any Igbo man, any Biafra man, where you make investment for North, for Kano, for Sokoto, for Meduguri, Taraba, anywhere where you get investment. Say I come back home, die no day. They won't kill you. Boycott anything that has to do with Hausa. They are dangerous. Not so I do not tell you. They say they be get man, not take them more. They say they do pedicure, they do manicure, they won't clean your leg, they won't clean your house. No grill, they won't kill you. They go chop you. Not only that one, including their food and their products and anything that has to do with them. Anything where one consign them, not them. Not only that one, if you not say a day for Lagos, if they go to Yoruba man church, if they waste your time, carry your time, they pay, they throw your money up and down. Sell the whole property where you go there. Go back home. They don't want you. They don't want you. You know one listen. The people where they bring on this message in a Biafra Referendum Media Group worldwide under the leadership of Mazen and the Kane Ohamadike Biafra, one of Biafran land. Thank you, Kemesian.
Why you get holy, Mr. Producer?
IPOB, one way money, all we need is freedom. All we need is freedom. All we need is freedom. It's not by force to be together. It's not by force to be together. All we need is freedom. All we need is freedom. It's not by force to be together. Naturally, Biafra go. Let my people go. Naturally, Biafra go. Naturally, my people go. Naturally, my people go. Let my people go. Wake up this morning, I look in the sky, all I see is rising sun. Choloma. Obono Chukwu na Nolua, the land of the rising sun. Yeah, let my people go. Yeah, let my people go. Ekele na dekalo, for making us to know what freedom is all about. Yeah, ekele na dekalo, for making us to know what freedom is all about. What freedom is all about. Ekele na dekalo, making us to know what freedom is all about. Blessing at all. Opakise mutu sike Onyama bia friend name on. We are not fighting for war but freedom. All we need is freedom. And the kalolo mekeleki yo. Olu mekeleki. Olu mati olu mekeleki yo. Olu mekeleki. Olu nekuri olu mekeleki yo. Olu mekeleki. Ikoha olu mekeleki yo. Let my people go. No matter what the devil may do. Let my people go. Keep on going higher. Let my people go. We are one love. Let my people go. Umuchuko kikabiam. Let my people go. Nandekano. Let my people go. Eji mohura wase. Let my people go. Obasibi edike bagu. Let my people go. Eba boleno. Let my people go. Asengato lojo. Let my people go. Oye neche biche no kiso. Let my people go. Whether devil like it or not. Let my people go. Biafra must come. Let my people go. We must be free. Let my people go. Credible you see. Credible you see. Get me anyway. Akwa kwa gagwana Biafra ya daga sem no wasi. Kesi yana maketa one day. Kesi kana me. We are going higher. Incredible you see wabia.
Our Father who art in heaven, that your name may be hallowed by men, that we may bow at the mention of it, that we may offer every glory unto thee, that we may offer you every adoration and adulation, because there is none like thee. You fight our battles for us. Every blessed day you demonstrate through your kindness and your everlasting mercy that you are our Lord, our God, and our Creator. This evening we offer these your children unto thee all over this very planet that you created. They are listening across the entire 24 time zones on this very planet where they inhabit. They are listening to your gospel this very evening, this gospel of redemption, a gospel of hope, a gospel of restoration, a gospel of renewal, this very gospel of freedom, this very gospel of emancipation as only you ordained. That this very gospel must be preached, that mankind may be set free from the eternal damnation of the creation of the British. My goodness me, I want to remain in the spirit because we must worship heaven. We answer your name, O Lord of hosts. Everything about us is designed to offer glory unto thee. We have atoned for our sins last year. This very year we have not only atoned for our sins, we have spilled, we have shed blood, they have shed our blood. We have let our sacrifice be made unto thee. Even on the 30th of August, as we are being felled by the bullets of the enemy, by the workers of iniquity and of darkness, we remain very strong today to beckon upon thee, to ask you for your mercy and for your grace, to ensure that your kingdom is restored upon the face of the earth, that you can bring your healing hand to bear upon the life of those of them that you created for one singular purpose, and that purpose alone, which is to worship you in truth and in every honesty. Is there any way that we have erred? Is there any way that our ancestors may have sinned? We confess before a congregation of the whole of humanity to ask you, O Lord of hosts, to have mercy upon us. You must have mercy upon us. We have suffered enough. We have been subjugated enough. We have been tortured enough. We have been imprisoned enough. We did not do these people anything. Our only crime is to answer your name. Our only crime is to be born your children. Our only crime is to excel at everything that we place our hands into. Our only crime is to exhibit your glory and your blessing, which manifestedly is upon our lives every blessed day. That is why they want to kill us. That is why the British want to join those of them who don't know you to destroy your creation and your inheritance. You will not allow shame to befall your name. You will not allow the enemies to triumph over the lives of your children, because you created us to exist, to worship, to honor, and to praise you. That is exactly what we are going to do when this Biafra comes. It will come in truth and in every honesty, because we remain every blessed day. Chukwabiama, believe we're whiter than white and whiter than snow. Oh, is there any way that we have sinned that you cannot forgive us our trespasses, to enable us to fulfill your own word, which was spoken thousands of years ago, that instead of what you promised not to come to pass, that heaven and earth will cease to exist. You opened your mouth, to bless mankind to the coming of Yahweh Yeshua, who came here and said, let your kingdom come on earth as it is in heaven. Those words can never be in vain, because they are anchored upon your holiness and your magnificence. That is why in the end we know that Biafra will come, that these children that we have given birth to all over the world, and their children, and their children, and their children, as long as they give birth to them and they are Biafrans, they will worship you in truth and honesty. Through this very work we are doing, mankind will come to understand you. Let your miracle be wrought in our lives. Let us witness and behold your magnificence, your holiness, your mystery, and your grace under our command. O Lord of hosts, we call upon you. We call upon you to heal. We call upon you to provide succor to those of them who are inconsolable. We ask you to come and strengthen those who are weak. We ask you to restore hope where there is hopelessness. We ask you for inclusion where there is destitution. We ask you for one brotherhood, one camaraderie, one bone, one blood, and one flesh of your children. The Efiks and the Bibios, the Izon, the Shekiri, the Isobos, and also those of them from Isoko. We are traveling all the way to the lands of Igala. We are moving on from there to Idoma, to Igede, to the territories of the Igbo land. All these places we dedicate unto thee. All these lands of yours, we ask you to cover it with your mercy, because Biafra will come, and when it does, We will dance on the streets. I'm telling you, by the time that we are done, humanity will think that we are mad, we are drunk in your glory, and rightfully so, because your kingdom will come to rest upon this very earth. That very kingdom is the unadulterated, non-negotiable sovereignty of the Republic of Biafra, that your will may be fulfilled in our time. All this we pray, all this we ask for, in no other name apart from that name that belongs to you. He said,
Yes, once again, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, I would say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra, of course, streaming live from the animal kingdom called Nigeria. We are reaching you with every degree of certainty across the globe from the animal kingdom, the British farm called Nigeria. Of course, we are streaming live through Radio Biafra London. We anchored by the deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Uche Ukafo Mefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State. And Anambra State is Biafra land for the avoidance of doubt. We are not saying that there are some people in Anambra who are not fathered and mothered according to grammar by Hausa, Fulani and Yoruba. But we are telling you, go back to where you come from. He, Mazi Uche Mefo, is the one who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. So there will be no hiding place for any Hausa-blooded Yoruba and Fulani in Anambra. And of course, he's standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Ibeku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom. He's the director of Radio Biafra and Biafra Television. Is the one who has been able to walk out. He made a difference, an indelible mark, undeniable. For over 6 decades, nobody can stand up and speak against this terrorist nation, did I say nation, this terrorist zoo called Nigeria, until he came. I'm so happy that he's setting an agenda for them. But one thing I don't understand and I try to comprehend is his manner of quietness. A very perfect gentleman. I believe he must have read gentleman conduct from the British University. And he must be a professor of gentility. Very gentle, quiet man. With all the anointing Chukwu Okike Abiama has given to him. Yet he is meticulously engaging the zoo, engaging British government and the rest of the world. Because if things were in my hand, maybe there would have been no IPOB any longer. Because maybe I would have made mistake. And so I appreciate Chukwu Okike Abiama for him, for the avoidance of doubt. So when you are yapping and you are jumping up and down, you go to your Yoruba church and give testimony, give thanksgiving. That Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is a peaceful man. But I wonder how long this being peaceful will continue. If you people think the gentility of a lion is a sign of cowardice, okay, he's a gentleman, he's educating Nigerians now, the senators now, and the lawyers and the barrister and the legislature now, including the foreigners now, are now beginning to wake up. He's educating them. But have it at the back of your mind. Our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not educating you so you become normal human being. You're incapable of reasoning. The world must know the evil of British government in the soil of Africa. He is the director of Radio Biafra and of course Biafran Television. For the avoidance of doubt, I remain George Unibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State. Delta State is Biafra land. Every piece of land in Delta State. Of course, some people say, no, I'm not a Delta. I am a Urobu. I am a Chakiri. I am a Abraka. I am a Oli. But if you do not know at this time that you are Biafran, then there is so much Yoruba or Hausa Fulani blood inside you. Of course, when we talk about Yoruba Hausa Fulani blood, it means that cow blood is inside your system. including that of goat. I pity our people who are still eating cow. I pity our women that still open their leg for Hausa and Yoruba to lie down. All of you will die. All of you will die. You don't know what you are doing to yourself. If some of you think, no, they are joking, don't mind them, they are talking and talking. One day you will wish we will continue talking. You will wish you listen to this talking. This is how it started. We will stop Radio Biafra. We will do this to Radio Biafra. We Biafra. Look at the Benin people. Some of the useless people from Benin, who Yoruba is the Oba of a Benin people, who were yapping all over the place, telling you, hey, leave the Biafra. We believe the Biafra. We don't want Biafra. Because they can't pronounce it. When somebody tell you Biafra is Biafra, watch that person closely. Look at all of them. They are preaching for Biafra now. Because they must wake up. I won't proceed until I acknowledge the Almighty Creator himself, Chukwukika Abiyama. Anyị na-aja gị mma o, ịmakwa n'eziokwu, n'ịmara mma ịhụnanya anyị na gị, obiọma gị, o juru anya dadi o, ịmakwa n'inwe gị mgbanwe o. Ọ dị onye dị ka gị, ebu Alpha na Omega. Anyị niile na-asị na ịdị mma o. IPOB na-asị na ịdị mma o. Ụmụ Biafra na-asị na ịdị mma o. Igbo Chukwu Igbo gị mmadụ Ibu Chukwu Ibu gị mmadụ agbanwe o. Ibu Chukwu onye na-eme mma, Ibu Chimehie. Ibu Chukwu Ibu gị mmadụ Ibu Chukwu onye na-agwọ ọrịa m analego. Ibu Chukwu onye na-eti ikpe ziri ezi, nwanne otu onye. Ibu Chukwu anya n'elu ụwa, Ibu Chimehie. Ibu Chukwu Ibu gị mmadụ Let me stop before Monso Chukwukika Abiyama will carry you. But then we must continue to our topic this morning. Our topic this morning is simple. We're wrestling with principalities. We are wrestling with powers. And we are wrestling with wicked spirit called Nigeria. Some of you don't know Nigeria is a wicked spirit. You know the Bible say, Paul told the Ephesians and says, see, I want you to be rest assured. I want you to be properly informed. I want you to know that we are not wrestling against just flesh and blood. We are wrestling against principality, against power and wicked spirit. But he said in the heavenly places. That is where the difference comes in. Biafrans, IPOB, you must know this morning that we are wrestling with principalities. We are wrestling with powers. We are wrestling with wicked spirit called Nigeria. If Apostle Paul was a Nigerian, he would not have said wicked spirit in the heavenly places. He would rather have said wicked spirit in Nigeria. Because all the wicked spirit has run out, even out of Nigeria. Satan was in Nigeria before, but he has run out. Which means Nigeria is the real Satan. Or maybe child of Satan. Ajomo. The real Satan is British government. Their land cannot contain them. It's Nigeria. Just break bottle somewhere close to Oyiwe. You will know that British government lives in Nigeria. So Biafrans, you must understand the nature of the war you are fighting. You must understand the categories of people you fight. So when you see things happening, you can never be deceived. The first Nigerian news I read online was that some suspected IPOB member was arrested with arm. And some of you who are very lazy in thinking, who cannot make proper use of your brain, you say, you see, then look at IPOB. Hey, look at them now. They arrested some of them with AK-47. But they've not arrested Fulani herdsmen with AK-47. No Miatia Allah or Boko Haram have been arrested with AK-47. But now listen to the line there. Some suspected IPOB member were arrested with ammunition. But they put this thing, it is like when you want to catch a fowl, a hen, a chicken, you throw corn for them, they will not come. They throw chicken for you, and you are a monkey, you are a babu, complete animal. You are eating it. So people say, you see, you are concluding for them. Take them to court. They will tell you that they didn't say IPOB. They say suspected IPOB member. But for Yoruba Gota Media to dare bring IPOB name close to Evo, it is not a new thing. Because Nigeria is a wicked spirit. You must understand that when Apostle Paul said that we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principality, you should ask yourself as a pastor, as a Christian that you say you are, who are the principality? Who are the power? Or what is the power? And what does it mean when he say wicked spirit? Go and ask your Sunday school teacher. Go and ask your bishop. That is if they know. Because the only thing they know is tithe and offering. If you don't pay tithe, you will go to hellfire. If you don't pay offering, you will become poor man. But there are so many millionaires across the globe who don't pay tithe and offering. The question is, how did they become rich? No, your pastor tell you, no, don't get involved in Biafra matter. It is God that will decide. But God is not deciding Oduduwa nation. God is not deciding Arewa nation. They have Oduduwa University. They have Arewa University. And these people are proud to come out and hit their hand in the chest and tell you, Omo Oduduwa lemi, Omo Arewa lemi. But your own, when you say, I am Mwa Biafra, Omo Biafra lemi, that time it become a sin. Don't say it, don't say it. Even your pastor will abandon you. Your Yoruba pastor will dump you. But yet, the same pastor will say, you see, leave the Biafra matter alone. It is God alone that will decide. Okay, God have decided to do one nation. Is that what you're telling me? That God has decided our one nation. Are you so dumb? Are you so daft? But don't worry. Biafrans across the globe, when you are there, you are saying, no, I don't like what they are doing. It's not your fault. You are possessed. You are possessed. And you need deliverance. Somewhere along the line, you will be delivered, or you will be buried like uncircumcised Philistines. It's not your fault. And people will say, it's not your fault. You're being deceived. Your environment deceives you. Did you know I schooled in Harvard? And so what? But you come from a monkey continent of monkey and babu. So when you are there sitting with Caucasian, Germans, Europeans, Arabians, people who have worked hard and sacrificed all to build that place you are enjoying, when you are talking, they'll be looking at you. They blame themselves. They blame themselves. As a black monkey, you are representing yourself in the global community. Let me tell you what they think about you. When you are talking, they will be looking at you. They say, I no blame this black monkey. Now my papa calls him. How can my papa, my father allow me to be discussing with a monkey inside this hollow chamber? They will just be looking at you. That is why they say, well, leave him, he's a monkey, let him be talking. And when you finish, they give you banana. You will now begin to do am. Because you are a monkey, you are a babu. Whenever you address the world as a black man, even Obama know. Where is Obama? Because whenever he says anything, they looking at him, the Caucasians in America are looking at him. This monkey don't know we upgraded him. We will reduce him to nothing. Let Obama show his face. Just one day on the social media, you will hear that Obama have raped one 36-year-old American girl. That will be the end of him. Because you are a monkey, you are a babu. The reason is because you don't know you are possessed. You are telling us what they did to you, they did for you. What did you do for your people? Gentlemen, my feet. So when you hear that we are fighting, you must know the nature, the character of the people we are fighting. Without that, you will even be fighting against the people without knowing. Yorubas are on social media now answering Biafra name. They are rampaging everywhere. Fulani headsmen, Boko Haram, all of them are on rampage. Some of you aid them, you support them. Maybe you're waiting for it to get to your village before you do the right thing. Of course, it will get to all of you. It just began. For your information, this is the time you get ready. Prepare for this cloud that I've gathered. It will surely rain. Kwademe yijelu, kwademe yijelu. Nisha wakwole yo ne mwakole yo ebijeko wijelu. Nisha wakwole yo ne mwakole yo ebijeko wijelu. It will surely rain. But you must know the nature of war you fight. Number one, he said you wrestle against principality. Ask yourself a question. Who are these principalities? Who are principalities? These are the principalities that you are fighting against as a Biafran. Because once you are a Biafran, you are claiming a one Nigeria, you need to be delivered. But it's unfortunate the Yoruba pastors won't deliver you. Rather, they will even chain you, put you in more bondage as you are today. We have read the Bible. Most of you don't know I have studied the Quran. I understand what the book of Surah and the rest of them say. But I'm not here to talk about religion or any type of worship. I am here to ensure that you hide yourself, shocking yourself. If you have a car, enter inside the PG hole. Don't let us know you are there. Because whenever you come out and you are telling us what you think you know, we will tell you that what you don't even know is bigger than you. First of all, we are fighting against principality. Who are principality? Most of you don't know. The principality we fight against, one is Nigeria. One is Nigeria. You think Nigeria is a country? Then you have been living in a dream world. And I hope you wake up soon. Nothing like Nigeria. The dream you have about Nigeria is only in a mirage. It can never be realized. The moment you whisper it, it's very fragile. It will disappear into the air. That is why I assemble 90% of Nigerian students schooling across Nigeria and ask them a simple question. What will you like to do when you graduate? 100%, 90% out of 100% of Nigerianist children schooling in Nigerian university will tell you, when I graduate, I will go to Austria, I will go to Ghana. In fact, some of them are even praying to go to Cotonou. Is Nigeria not a principality? That every Nigerian who is not a Boko Haram, Fulani Herdsmen, Miati Allah, or Yoruba Saboteur are running out. We were talking about Xenophobia and Physiazobia. Black monkey killing black monkey. Somebody say, but how do you know that it's our people they are killing in South Africa and some other places? I say, when they say they kill Nigeria, know that it's Biafrans. Yoruba and Hausa travel only when they want to push cocaine. And when they are caught, they change their name to Igbo name. Without Radio Biafra, you will be hearing, BBC and CNN will be telling you that, did you know that about 130 Igbo men that were caught, in fact, they will mention their village. One is from Umbitoru, the other one is from Amandoba, the other one is from Unkweri, the other one is from Unempe, the other one is from Ekusigo. Now the next one was from Ehiala. You will know Igbo man can pronounce your village name. Go and ask that Biru Abi Birike or whatever the Yoruba useless woman name is. Go back to the first clip she released. It's unfortunate that some Nigerians are caught pushing drugs in Saudi Arabia, and these are the name. This is you have Oshikolo Ojuku. Who is Oshikolo? He want to distract you, but he pronounced Ojuku very well to make you believe our Igbo people again. But lo and behold, because of IPOB, you now know that all the drug addicts who are going to die in Saudi Arabia, all of them are Yoruba and Hausa. Now you see, Nigerian High Commissioner now are active. They can now come to the newspaper. You as a Biafran, you know that if you have problem wherever you are, Nigerian High Commissioner will not help you. As far as you are a Biafran, you just come and say, please, I have issue. Embassy, help me. They say, where do you come from? The moment you say you are a Biafran, they just look at you and say, oh Lord, may they kill this guy, may they kill this woman. That is why you are suffering everywhere. I told the person, I say, see, Yoruba and Hausa are coming to our land to take over our land. They condition our people to be running away to go so they can have free access. But it's not an issue because everything will work for our good in the end. I must tell you, or rather remind you, that Nigeria is a principality. Traditional rulers in Nigeria are principalities. When I was born, I was told that a king is born to be served, but was not made. Now, where I come from, the part of Biafra I come from, the prince don't live with the father. The side of Biafra I come from, the prince don't live with the father. The moment the first son is born, maybe at the age of 10, 17 or thereabout, he will be separated from the father. In my own family compound, almost 3 princes grew in my compound. How did I know this? I will never forget one of them. His name is Oriekuse. And so if he's listening to me now, because he must be one of these NGO now, maybe somewhere in America, but he's supposed to be the prince of a community in Aniocha in Delta State. His name is Oriekuse. They brought him to our house. And I knew the parents must be very rich. But why would they bring this boy to our house? And we all start living together. And I understand that there was a day I wanted to molest the boy. My father called me and said, you see that boy you are seeing? He is the king of their community. He's not here because the parents cannot take care of him. He's not here because he's a slave or our housemaid. He is here because he wants to have first-hand information about what life talks about. When we tell you about Nigeria, we are not telling you what they just told us. We are telling you what we have first-hand information about. I can give you all their names. These people suffered. They experienced life. And then one day you go to their village, they are monarchs. But today, as we speak today, the generation of today, Biafrans don't even know all these things. Because when your governor is coming, he's carrying portfolio of Obi and Oba and Omanyanabo. If you say you are Omanyanabo or you are Oba or you are a king in Biafra land, get challenge the government of the day in your local government. You will end up in DSS. I'm not trying to insult you, but I'm telling you the truth. Just, you know the truth. But the system of the ZUB, the principality called Nigeria, will not allow you to operate. You come out and challenge the government of the day and say what you are doing is not good. Like the same way Fulani henchmen, Boko Haram, Satan of Sokoto, Lamido Sanusi group of monarchy leaders will address Nigeria. You try it as a Biafran. Yoruba monarch will come out and address Nigeria. You as a Biafra monarch, when you are telling me the Igwe of this community, you are not Igwe. Iponsin of this community. If you want to know how Iponsin, the level of Iponsin, bunch of shit that you are, come out and counter Nigeria. They will have indicted you already. So when we say we are fighting against principalities, make no mistake about it. Number one principality we are fighting is Nigerian government. Number two principality we are fighting is traditional rulers. Because governors now appoint king. Governors now make king. Forget about that bid they are putting on. It's rubber. They can't even have access to good bid any longer. Pack bid put for neck. You just be like dog. We carry belly. Here a monarch. Here a monarch. It's insulting us. It's insulting us. When you know real monarch, you begin to see monarch like our leader's father. Which monarch has spoken up against what they did to the desecration of the throne of Ibeku kingdom? Where are they? You see, you are a bunch of Pami monarchs. Wake up. Speak up. Let's see who will bring you down. And then you will know if there is IPOB or there is no IPOB. You will know what we represent. But that is not where we are going to. If you lie, sleep. Pretend you are not hearing. If you don't hear Radio Biafra sound, maybe you will hear the sound of Ogbunigwe. It's a matter of time. Nonsense. But we write the agenda for you, not you. When you hear about principality, religion is part of principality. You will not believe. Go to Shabbatarian or Yehudasian or anything they call themselves, all this religion. Go to Asare as a Muslim. You will see what he's doing. Go to Yehudian and Yahudian and Yabasharian and Sabbatarian. You will see how hopeless they have become. Biafra never come. They look like mad people already. Are we talking about pastors? If you have good wife and you take your wife to night vigil and you allow sleep to carry you, may God have mercy on your wife. Because before you wake up from that sleep, the pastor will hand over to choir to be singing ministration and go and deliver your wife inside pastor's office. You don't talk to religion, you don't talk to religion, but I'm Reverend George Onibe. There are little you can tell me about religion. The only thing they have achieved in doing in Africa is to spiritually handcuff you. So anytime you are defending religion as African monkey and babu, know that American police are not the one who have arrested you. Spiritually, you have been handcuffed, kidnapped, mesmerized, rastodized, brutalized, reduced to a caged chimpanzee. If you were a free chimpanzee, it would have been better for you. We are trying to free you as a chimpanzee, but you prefer the cage more than anything. And so you will tell me, you don't talk to God, you don't talk about religion. Who is religion? Is it your father's name? Spiritual handcuff. I therefore write to you, oh my little children, that you must obey your master even unto death, as you will obey Christ. Now I know. And now I know. These are principalities. Number 4 along the list of principalities are the cabals. Look at Abba Kyari. Look at all the cabal managing Jubilee. They will tell you, instead of Jubilee to be tested DNA, let Nigeria break. When they made that statement, you think they were talking to you as a fellow monkey and babu Nigerian? No. They were sending signal to British government. If you allow them to test Jubilee, we will tell them what you have been doing. So British government will say, okay, yeah, don't test Jubilee, don't test him. Our leader have said it, and let it be that way. Jubilee will never, not even 1,000 article. 1,000 article will not make Jubilee to face DNA test. Because this Awosa Fulani Barawu Dambaza have sent a signal to British government. Britain, Queen of England, Theresa May, let us tell you, if you let them to run DNA test on Jubilee, let me tell you, you better divide Nigeria now before DNA test start. They were not talking to you, Nigerian monkey and babu. They were sending a signal to British government. Make a move. Let Atiku Cameroon man make a move. And say, oh, let's test the DNA. They are just deceiving you. They are buying time. Nigeria is a inconclusive country. Inconclusive government. Inconclusive legislature. Inconclusive judiciary. Inconclusive police army. Boko Haram. Everything is inconclusive. They are buying time. Repositioning, resetting your brain. Yes, today now you will hear. Do you know that Atiku have said he will not agree? He must take them to court. All of you begin to comment. Yes, let him go to court and let him forget. God will take control. They are resetting your brain. Today is gone. Tomorrow again, do you know that Buhari said that Atiku mother is from Katangura? Atiku mother is from Katangura. What is our business? They are resetting your brain. Very soon, you lose sight of the main issue at hand. And you'll be following all of them like monkey and babu. Give me banana. Where are the people who collected 5,000, 100 naira to vote? You were shouting and jubilating. We must vote. We must vote. You are not longer hearing PDP, APC, PDP, KKK. Your 100 naira you have eaten in sachet of gari, pint they gave to you, is all gone. Get ready for next level. If Buhari refuses to give you next level, we will give you next level. That next level, on a go sham. These are the principalities. Number 2, Apostle Paul said we fight against power. Who are the power? Number 1, British government. I give it to them. There is nowhere in the world where out of terrorism, degrading and unaccepted human treatment have been meted upon the indigenous people that you will not see Britain. Britain is not the only people who came to slave. We used to hear about the Portuguese. We used to hear about the Germans. We used to hear about, in fact, everybody has gone, remaining only Britain and France. France are undercover. They say their own policy is association and assimilation. So when you associate with them, they will assimilate you. Do you know what it means? Just say, Almighty France, you are the owner of my African monkey and babu jungle, and I will be loyal to you. But not in English anyway. In fact, if you want France to respect you as a monkey and babu that you are, Go to France Embassy and tell them, comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci. Au revoir. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est en blanc, c'est en zou, c'est en Nigeria. You have been assimilated. Some privilege can be given to you as a higher order of monkey and babu. But when you want to be a proper, you want the power that be to support you as a black monkey and babu, join the Britain. Be corrupt. Be a Boko Haram. Be a terrorist. Theresa May will visit you. These are powers that be. There are some invisible power you are not seeing. They are stealing oil. They don't want to get involved, but they are involved. You know them by how many oil companies that operate in your land. In this monkey and babu continent called Africa. Find out how many oil companies operate in your land. Then you will know the people who are holding you down. You have Shell. Find out who owns Shell. Somewhere if they want to deceive you, they don't say they are Shell. They say we are SPDC. Find out who they are. You will know the witches and wizards that are holding you down. Stop praying. Oh, we have Mobil, Exxon, and Exxon Mobil. Go and find out who the owner of Exxon Mobil and Ajip and Eni and Saipem and all of them are. You will know the witches and wizards that is actually destroying you. We're talking about power. As I'm talking now, share workers are listening to me. Our people that work in share, we will say we will bring Onibe down. You will bring your father and your mother down. You will bring the seed, the next generation of your people down. Because you are very hopeless. They are not only stealing oil from our land, they are the one illustrating and orchestrating terrorism, kidnapping. They sponsor it, oil company. Not all of them anyway. But Shell is a general overseer. A pioneer. And you are there saying, you know, it's a proper. Don't worry. Powers that be. There is no community in Biafra land where you have crisis, communal crisis as a result of God blessing that you will not see Shell there. Shell are expert in this thing. They will call you and say, okay, you are a Biafran. You say yes. They say, okay, community, please give us one man to represent you. They give you one man. And this man who is supposed to be representing you, they will enrich this man. They will give him gift for himself. But they will never tell him, go and develop your community. And say you were once a poor man. And overnight you become a rich man. And your village people have been impoverished. And one day, your village people will come to you and say, Mazi, since you joined this company, you have become rich. But nothing has been happening in our village. He said, okay, don't worry, I will talk to them. And as a good man that you are, you will confront Shell or other criminal oil company and say, tie this road for our people. They look at you, okay, you have eaten big, Abi, you want to show you have sense, Abi. They will go and look for the person that hates you more in your community. They will empower the person to fight you. When you hear Asari and Ateke fighting, go and find out what Nigerian government have used all the money to do before them. I challenge them, let Asari and Ateke go to Asari, or Asari go to Ateke, and let's see how Niger Delta you have Niger Delta yourself. This is the power of the oil in your land. This is the power of principality. This is the power of Ndekweso and Ndiaja. Asari and Ateke are Niger Deltanist. Or how do they put it in grammar? Please, fake relationship. I want both of you to meet. That is exactly what Shell oil company can do in your land. These people are mortal enemy. Of course, British government can just give them a lot now. 100 million. And say, prove George Onibe wrong. Go and hold media press conference. So when you see Asari and Ateke, as I'm talking to you now, coming on Facebook or granting media, it's a lie. They have been paid off. That is power. Power of money. Power of oil. Power of British government. Power of terrorists. Power of Boko Haram. Power of Fulani herdsmen. Don't you know that Boko Haram have power? They could only whisper their name. Boko Haram killed 20 people in Nigeria. They say North Nigeria, and we are calling you, Koloba community, come and help us because the number of women in IDP camp is increasing. But every woman in IDP camp have a child every year. Who is pregnanting them? Nigerian army, Nigerian Boko Haram, Nigerian Fulani herdsmen. Yet you feed and you sponsor Boko Haram, and you come out and you criticize terrorism. You are the one aiding and abetting them. So you're fighting against power. Fulani herdsmen. They carry AK-47. The gun they carry to lead cow is more expensive than the cow. When you see two Aboki Did I say Abuki? Two Alamajiri? What is happening to me this morning? When you see two Fulani Bara with Dambanza and Awosa leading cow, the weapon they are carrying is more expensive than that cow. Who is the power behind them? They kill you, walk away. They even rape dead body. Go and ask late Buhari. Because these people are power. These are the people you are fighting. The powers. We go to the third one. The wicked spirit called Nigeria. Who are the wicked spirit? In case you are looking for demon, you know now Yoruba have taught you, go to mountain of fire now. They will tell you, every spirit of cockroach, bind there. You know, because say, no, look at this. Yoruba will tell you, every spirit of cockroach, every spirit of mosquito, every spirit of housefly, every spirit of lizard coming to take my blessing. Oh Luawa, no ruko Jesu, amen. You know chopo. When you shout amen, maybe up to 100 times. Yoruba man will not tell you, no ruko Jesu. He said, no ruko Jesu. Oh Luawa, Yoshi. Mad people, you become poorer. You see all of you jumping up and down. You don't know it is wicked spirit that is disturbing you. Awosa Fulani Bara Udambanza are not the wicked spirit. The real wicked spirit in Nigeria is Yoruba. So when you hear that we are fighting against wicked spirit called Nigeria, it's not Awosa, it's not Fulani. It's Yoruba. They have destroyed more life than AK-47 of Fulani headsmen Miati Allah or Boko Haram could ever destroy. But of course you won't believe. You have been hypnotized. Look at how learned you are. Go and confront any of your pastor in terms of maturity of mind. You will see how low they are. But then ask yourself, are they able to fool you around? When I talk to you, say, do you know I have PhD in theology? You are a monkey and you are a babu. I have regard for, what do they call them? Dibia, more than you. Because you are an educated monkey. Michael Jackson used to wear his monkey suit. But even though Michael Jackson go and buy the suit Lord Lugard wear to discover River Niger, he remain monkey and babu. Forget about your PhD and DHP, LLB and HPC, or your degree. Go and ask lunatic, that beggar who is called Blue Jack. Go and ask him. Biafrans feed him, enrich him. He thought he have arrived. He's biting the finger that fed him. Go and ask him. He's a professor. Professor without university. Professor without office. Professor on Facebook. God will punish all of you. Don't worry. We will cure you. What am I saying? When you hear that Biafrans are fighting against wicked spirit, the wicked spirit is Yoruba people. God told me, some Biafrans are joining them. Know when they are playing game. God told me that, God, these are Yoruba pastor. Why is God not talking to Biafran pastor? Okay, their ears are deaf. Do I blame you? American God is white man. China God is China man. Indian God is Indian man. Arabian God is Arabian God is Arabian man. Only monkey and babu in Africa have white man as their God. And when you say, they say, no, don't say it, don't say it. You're gonna touch the Christianity, you're gonna touch the Mohammedan, don't you know that Muhammad raped small girls? He gonna not say about it, he gonna not say Yoruba the wicked spirit. You talk about Muhammad in America, they kill Biafrans. You talk about Allah in Saudi Arabia, they kill Biafrans. And Yoruba will use the wicked spirit media to make it look as if we have committed unpardonable crime. It's not trending any longer. Igbos are no longer committing crime. Chukuma Wanko push drug to Saudi Arabia. It's a Yoruba. Chukuma Wanko robber. It's a Yoruba. Toro, this is Igbo. It's a Yoruba. This is Japikin. It's a Yoruba. A man killed himself and run away. Yorubas are the real wicked spirit in Nigeria. Don't let them deceive you. So British government, saboteurs, wickedness, all of them, this is what they are. So don't let them deceive you. We are not wrestling against China or Japan. In fact, I understand that is it China or Japan coming to open embassy, or what do they call it in Anambra? Carry your nuclear weapon and come. What happened in Hiroshima will repeat itself. God will punish all of you. Take your head office to Abuja. Take your head office to Lagos. Don't come to Biafra land, because you will not enjoy it. You don't even know we can speak your language. You won't enjoy it. Go to Okobi Street in Abo. There is a China people that lived there. Generation after generation. They can speak Abo. We allow them to have peace. They are still there. They have a plastic industry in Abo. Around Moka Street. Go to Yoruba land and open your company. Leave Biafra alone. You are coming to invest in Biafra land. You are international community. Get ready. You will lose that money. We don't want any development any longer. Airline, Eric Airline, Subusa Airline, Teredis Airline, Fulani Hesman Airline, all these international airline want to be loading from airport in Port Harcourt. We don't want you. We are okay going to Yoruba land or Hausa land to enter plane. Don't come there. Oh no, we are this one. We are no, carry your head office now. Don't open seaport for us. Go to Yoruba and Hausa land. We now have on top of 3 seaports. There is no seaport on top of 3. But where you have coastal region, there is no seaport. Now all of a sudden, let's deceive them a little bit. China, come and open embassy in Anambra. So the word is, after all, you have China embassy. No. Go to Lagos. We are okay with that. We are one Nigeria now. A day will come, you people will refuse this one Nigerianness. Don't let them deceive you. I'll be back in a minute.
Of starvation, millions of innocent children also died of kwashiorkor. Abandoned properties in the north, west and south, intimidation, deprivation, still they say we are one. Oh no, in the animal kingdom, I am fed up in the Star Republic. Some are equal than the others in the animal kingdom. I am fed up in the Star Republic. Wickedness everywhere. May I tell you what you mean? Nothing to love and wit. I can tell you what you mean. It's an incredible lie against my father's inexplicable disease, against my people. Hey. Imagine using hunger as a weapon of war. 20 pounds maximum withdrawal to every depositor. Hey, my people tasted poverty. My people suffer starvation. And millions died of kwashiorkor. You were then telling me no victor, telling me no vanquish, and putting up all sorts of slogans to fool my people around. I am no longer comfortable with all these lies. No longer comfortable with all this disease. To keep silent in the face of tyranny, I rather die. Silent in the face of brutality, I rather perish. Silent in the face of humiliation, I rather die. Keeping silent in the face of wickedness, I rather perish. How can I keep silent when you deprive my people? Robbing Peter to pay Ahmed in the oil sector. Segregation in admission. Nepotism in employment. Encouraging mediocrity and discrimination in the guise character. My generation will no longer take shit from the animal kingdom, no longer tolerate this from the zoo republic. See, criminals living in jungle, they are feeding on with the trade of solo. Criminals living in jungle, they are feeding on with the trade of slavery. They may fool my people for some time, they can fool all my people all the time.
Yes, sir. At this moment, our lines are open. Our WhatsApp number is 070 815 45642. 070 815 45642. For the last time, our WhatsApp line is 070 815 45642. And our direct line is 081 221 52971. Our direct line is 081 221 52971. For the last time, our direct line is 081 221 52971. And the special number dedicated to the female is 081 288 58614. Special number dedicated to the women is 081 288 58614. For the last time, special number dedicated to the female is 081 288 58614. Caller on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Can hear you, Mazonibe.
Tutuoma, go ahead, please. The word is listening. Your name and where are you calling from?
Good. My call sign this morning, Mazonibe. I greet Biafra. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I remember I am calling from Italy here. Please, we don't need any embassy in our land. Our embassy we need in our land is just the five continents on this planet is what we need in Biafra land to systemize their embassy. Not each country will come and systemize their embassy in Biafra land.
No, they want to decolonize Biafrans. Not Nigeria. Yoruba and Hausa are perfect use for them to destroy Africa. They are coming to water down our blood more than they have done.
Yes, and we are aware of that. We are aware of that. Anybody that is listening to me that knows me, that knows me well, that knows that I don't abide by those nonsense. You understand me? Like when I was in Abuja, some people take me to this Dunamis. You know, I attend Dunamis when I was in Abuja, and I attend nothing on fire of Yoruba man in Uriawan, I think so.
That means you must know how to pray fire.
I don't think that day I was sleeping inside there that day. So my warning is that we need continent by continent to know the country that they will use to enter Biafra land. This is the time. We are not looking anybody face. No sentiment at all. This sufferness, we are the one to bear the pains. Nobody is bearing the pains. Devastation of the land of Biafra, we are the one bearing the pains. This is the time. And any warrant that stands on our way must fall. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mazonibe.
And God bless you.
Thank you.
So, as a Biafran, you are fighting against principality and power. You are fighting against wicked spirit. You should know who they are. It's not Satan, the figment of your imagination. Caller on the line, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Are you there? Morning, go ahead, please try and speak louder.
Okay, I'm calling you from Nasarawa State. My name is Solomon Ikechukwu. I serve these people as PRO in my unit, Alpha Nasarawa State, under Kara local government. My brother, I thank you for your courage. I dedicate our leader to Almighty King of Glory. I want to use this opportunity to thank person of Chima Joseph from Osoka, who normally come to earth.
Why are you thanking him? Don't thank him. Go ahead with what you want to say.
Sorry, Please give me the opportunity. Make I use my dialect. Talk to my people.
Go ahead, please.
Now, ndị anyị ekele n'ụzọ ka dị eje ịdọ ma dị eje ịgala ọnọdụ agba biko na mmekele na amasị kunu narị ha na-eme amasị usoro ihe a na-eme anyị nọrọ n'iyi mmiri iri anyị nchaba anya ya ihe a na-eme ọka dị ihe Biafra mgbe nkịta esi eme elekshọn ọgụ meje emegidere ahụ ndị Nsụka ụgwọ anyị bịa bụ gọvanọ isi Nsụka ga-enwe ma anyị nwere ọgbakọba anyị nwere omii ọgụgụ ma anyị nwere ọ bụ ọchụ abịama mgbe ya sị wefụta usoro eji afa n'ọbụgụ Felisa n'enya ya bụ usoro eji afa chọma IPOB n'ụlọ nso ya join na baa IPOB ọdụ anyị onye ọdụ anyị mma ma onye ha na-eme ọsọ akarị mama nke one with the price. Am I right? Hilare. Usually, I get it. You have the Kugo, ka Odrain, you sweet. You have the mail at the Mansue. Can you grab a lot lager? I said, you have a mail. When you don't manage, in the Doma, make a kind mind, the may I in the minute. How the Hamago? Who be after a bar? Who be Gala, the same thing. Who be after a bar? Ebe ya asịrị mere na abụghị onye Idom, mee ya abụghị Biafra, ma ị gara abụghị Biafra. Asadu ịha Nsụka, onye na mụrụ Nsụka, asadu mụrụ Igala, asadu mụrụ Idoma, ya ba na kie nke asadu. Ukwu anyị kekuru ya Idoma na-ekie. Anyị na-azụ ọfọ anyị, Onuche, Ọnọchi, Ntodo, Idoko, Mbeke, Asọgwa, Ọgala. Mgbe ya agwara anyị ka anyị mara ha anyị pụtara. Ndị ọbụla ndị Yoruba na ndị Hausa ndị ya amaghị ha na-eme ndị anyị buru ibu na-agwa anyị ihe anyị na-eme aka mana ihe efu n'ụlọ n'ebe ka emefu anyị na-eche mmebe anyị aja egburu mmadụ eleke mere na enugbo na ebe mere na nka eleke a na-eme mbọzọ mgbe okwutere anyị bụ anyị ga-eke ya mmehie anyị na-emebi ka anyị gba ọsọ mgbe dị fọm nwunye anyị Nnamdi Kanu butere ndị ahụ ụchọja larị nga onye na ma larị nga lagbofụta ụlọ ihe ọ na-eme agaghị ya eme ka mara nne bụ mara ihe ọ na-eme elu nkọba ndị nke ndị Dom ndị Gala onye Nsụka Sado Ukehe ndị Nọle benere na ya nwụdehe onye ahụ ndị si na ndera iwu mbadụ na ya nwụde urufụta iwu chọma IPOB join na ịkpọ maazị Igbo direct ahụ ndị a join IPOB ịkpọ Chima ọgwa ndị a direct IPOB Nzụmese ihe a na-eme abịa ma ihe a na-eruzo Biafra bụ anyị bụ ududu anụ nke ha dịwa anụ nke anyị bụ Biafra ndị ọrụ mmegide ka anyị bụrụ Naijiria ọ bụghị ike ebe asịghị na ihe ike ihe asụ na ahajụ oru ndị anyị na-asụsọ ndị Biafra kete egosi na anyị transita ndị anyị ji ego sịrị aka anyị mere ihe Biafra n'ụlọ nke ma ọ bụ n'ebubo Nsụka ọzọ ka anyị mekerere ihe Biafra. I thank you for giving me this opportunity, my brother.
Thank
I
you.
say may God bless you. May God bless everybody who is working assiduously to make Biafra a reality.
And bless you.
We are restoring Biafra, we are not actualizing Biafra. We have been a Biafra. We don't know who joined us.
Thank you, and God bless you.
Nigeria, God forgive.
We must continue. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from?
Good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
My name is Charles. I'm calling from Port Harcourt. How women from the state? Women need and this lady. This one. No money that can run with the after. My father. I would travel in the General City. I think it's the one now. Message the Roman notice I could say in a Take this today, I would obey mothers as Ikuchanya for my name. Only one come over two, or come to dig. I knew we are more forward. Again, put the one in work and answer. Now, so you choose a grab of the gun. You see, the way you good. and you know trying to move. So hang on, if I'm doing this soon after the bed. The way I can even catch you that can do it. The one mind and I would not guess. Those young men, I think you should get all money and do that. So I'm going to go out. Thanks to many that I have got. Do you need your mom? I'm behind. Okay, remember that should your mom. Then I get them to find out like the I think I will be human. Money to pay for the how will you even depend on the finding one? Actually, the kind of seat. And the way I told you that with I had no seat, I just do that. So that's how we know. I just do that. I don't see that. No, I don't go now. And we said that I not going to work with that. That would have to know that it is. And the reason on it, why I need to seek a one more. I think I'm open to it.
Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you. Our people must understand. It is simple. You have two wicked spirits called Nigeria. One is Yoruba. The next one is saboteur. Don't let anybody deceive you. Call out on the line your name and where are you calling from. Call on the line. Are you there?
Good morning.
Morning. Go ahead, please. The world is listening.
My brother, I just want to thank you for what you are doing for Biafra. You mean me? Okay. Are you hearing me?
Yes, the world is listening to you. Go ahead, please.
Okay, my brother. Ana m ekele Chineke maka onye dịka gị. Ana m asị Chukwu okike abịa ma ya kpuchite gị chekwaa gị ka ndị iro ghara ịhụta gị, because all this work you are doing for us here, all this work you are doing for us here in Biafra land, I don't think that only Chukwu okike abịa ma na-anọnyere ga-eme. So I continue to pray for you people so that this war, we will fight it to a conclusive end and Biafra will be restored. Good morning and God bless you.
Thank you, my brother. We are not going anywhere. Call on WhatsApp. Can you hear me? Call on WhatsApp. Are you there?
Yes, Mazi George Onibe. Good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. My name is Chema Ugochukwu. I'm calling from India. I hail from Mumbai. Mumbai is in Olu province, Biafra land. Mazi, please permit me to appreciate Chukwu okike abịama and acknowledge my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Okwu Kanu, onye eziokwu. Yes, Chukwu okike anyị ekele na gị n'isi nwa oru gị Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, onye kpọpụtara ka ọ bịa duo anyị n'ije a. Chukwu okike, ọwụ na ọwụ ha nwa oru gị a. Nna ya amaghị ebe anyị kara ịnọ na ama na ebe ọ bụ na ịkpọpụtara nwa oru gị a, Chukwu ọma butere ya ụzọ kpetere ya azụ. Ekwana ka echiche ndị iro mezuo n'aha gị bụ Chukwu okike ebe ama pụrụ ime ihe niile. Ise. Maazị George Onibe, my master, thank you very much, sir. Chukwu okike abịama, we bless you. Bless all the whole principal officers, because everything we are hearing in Radio Biafra is truth. Everything we are hearing here, that's why I called Radio Biafra a holy rock. Mazi, do you know that sometimes, I don't know, if someone said he's a rich man, you are a rich man, and when you go closer to that